Hey Nellies, today we're back with another thing. So this is the life with a normal family until they get famous. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'm doing this with my friend Madison from school. And you guys might recognize her if you've seen her on my TikTok account. My TikTok account is called SunrayXX Addison223. You guys might recognize her from my treehouse tour, and it's the same girl. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Anyways, let's get on with it. Anyways, guys, yeah. You guys, some of this might be unedited, so don't ask why. Okay, let's get on with it. Oh, hey, darling, you're awake. Yeah, Mom. I am awake. Yeah, Mom, I'm awake. I was just about to make breakfast. Yay! Can I have Eggos? Yay! Can I have Eggos? Can I have Eggos? Sure! Yay! Let me get ready for school. Yay! Let me get ready for school now. Okay. I showered already, so all I have to do is brush my teeth. Now just get my school uniform. Oh, these always take so long to do. Okay, the echoes are the echoes are done. Coming. I just have to get ready for school, Mom. Ooh, did you know I'm actually in here? Okay, just looking for my uniform. Okay, my uniform's here. The side. Because I saw it. There. Okay, just put on this and then take it off. And then I have to actually wear skirts. Guys, there's a bug. Get away. Okay, I'm wearing socks. Actually, I'm gonna wear shorts. School. Oh no, Mom, I'm coming. I just need to put on my backpack. Oh gosh, I better turn off the fire. Okay, I'll just do that. Okay. Okay, all done. Sorry, Eddie, the power's out. Oh. I can't afford the electronic bill. I have £3. I have £3. You can buy the bill. I have £3. I was gonna buy some Maccas, but electricity is more better. I didn't have to say £3, correct? You are sorry. £3. Take. Wait. I have no. I work for it.
Are you a robot?
No, I work for it. Okay. Drop me off, then go. Buy the bill. Okay, drop me off and then go buy the bills. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, now. Oh no, guys, my screen's frozen. Oh, there we go.
What was it? What am I jumping?
Dee dee da, dum dee, dum dee dum, dee da. I'm just gonna get my book. Dee dee da. Good morning, Miss Kelly. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. I'm here. Addie, you're late.
Addie, you are late.
Sorry, we had to pay some bills. I do. Okay. This. Oh, okay, gotta go now. Oh my god, I'm late for what's it called, English class. And Good morning, Mrs. Kelly. Today's plot point 1. Puts hand up. I know! I know a word for angry because we're learning about it. Yes, Abby? Go ahead. Vexed. Vexed, Mrs. Kelly. Very good. Oh. Vexed. Sorry. Chilly. Chiller. Vexed, angry, mad, frustrated, furious. Yeah! I know what Ben would say. He would he would say, should I go further to my mom? Stated Ben. He would say, should I go further or go back to my mum? Stated Ben. Should I go further? Should I go back? Should I stop? Should I? Yay, we're here! Hi, can I get a strawberry smoothie? Hi, can I get a strawberry smoothie, please? Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yay, it's gorgeous. To be continued. To be continued.